What do we got going on, Bernsey?
Units had to come forward and they're just kind of not wanting to move. Yeah, I would say it's about a half a quart low.
How's it smell?
Smells like an old transmission. You can't really complain about that. So we had like little quarts.
Yeah. I mean, because it's absolutely stunner. Long car. Super long, but absolutely, absolutely beautiful. Just beautiful. They just don't make them like this anymore, guys. They just don't. Okay, well, we'll get this topped off, get it taken care of, and we'll get all our videos shipped over to Drew so he knows what's going on. Yeah. All right, guys, we'll see what's going on in a minute. And then we have people like that just show up, move it or lose it. Is that what you told me, sir? Did you tell me move it or lose it?
Hey, what the matter, you?
Don't make me shake you.
Bippity-boppity. Yeah, it's a little busier over here.
Yeah.
Keeper.
Yeah, we've got that one that just needs some minor adjustments and some work. We've got this one that we're working on.
More stuff in there. More stuff in there.
More stuff.
Between us and Desert Drive, it's a busy yard over here.
It is.
And
It
Victor,
is. Yeah.
all of us. We got
Figure watch, guys. Ready?
There's stuff everywhere.
Oh, look. That leaves on Thursday.
Ooh, what's leaving Thursday? Ooh, your Jag?
Leaves Thursday.
Oh, yeah.
Can't wait. Because then... Da-da-da! Sorry.
Yeah. Scotty's new to him car is pretty sweet.
Yeah. Okay, let's get back to the Lincoln now that we're back at it again. Sorry, we had to have a little bit of fun for a moment.
Hey, hurry up and move the car, huh?
Don't make me get Guido or Vinny to come out here and pay you a little bit of attention.
We're working here.
But enough fun and games. Let's get back to serious. We'll let you know I'm going on in a minute. All right.
You guys topped off the fluid?
Drop it all the way down to first.
That ain't right. But, all right, we'll take a look at that too.